We have 18 shots of Cci Standard velocity left. So I think I'm going to try to clear my KYL at 35 yards. The first pretty much 5 are going to be a joke. The last one's a half-inch. That one might be tough. Then I made a spinner kind of thing with a big weight on the bottom, so we'll go for that. First we'll use a 10. I just gotta see where I'm hitting because it's not zeroed for this ammo right now. And then we'll get to it. Okay. So I'll just shoot the first plate just to see where my impacts are. I need a taller bag here. Shooting downhill like this. Didn't see that one. Shooting for center of the second one. So have to come down. Okay, third one. Way canted here. Fourth one. Fifth one. Kind of wait and see where I hit there. Looks like I'm still high and left. All right, 1 inch. Now the tiny bolt head. Alright, now I'll shoot the top of my big spinner. And the bottom, see how that moves? Didn't even. Right. Shoot one more at the top one. I'm going to try to hit in that hole. Tiny bit low. Anyways, now the very small spinner. Nicked it. Clean hit there. Wait for it to stop. I'll send it again. Still another shot. There we go. Oh, that's my KYL target. Clearly it's a joke at 35 yards. At 100 it'll be difficult because groups are opening up past 1.5 inches at 100, so we'll keep testing ammo until we find that special magic blend and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, get down there, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you all next time.